Have you ever wondered what it's like to step into a world of vibrant colors, ancient traditions, and larger-than-life celebrations? Imagine a festival where kings emerge from sacred seclusion, young men are initiated into adulthood, or where masquerades transport you into another realm entirely. Welcome to the world of Igbo festivals. Today we're exploring some of the most fascinating and must-see cultural events that happen every year in Southeast Nigeria. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride through history, culture, and jaw-dropping moments you'll never forget. I am super excited. How about you? Are you? First on the list is the Ofala Festival. We have the Ofala Festival, which takes place in Onitsha. The Ofala Festival is a vibrant annual celebration deeply rooted in Igbo culture, primarily observed by the people of Onitsha, Umueri, Umuoji, and neighboring communities like Aguleri, Nnewi, and Oko. This festival is more than just a cultural event. It's a symbolic rite of renewal for the king, known as the Igwe or Obi, showcasing its continued leadership and connection with the people. Held every October, the Ofala Festival stands as the grand climax of Onitsha's ceremonial traditions. While many Igbo communities host their versions of the Ofala, Onitsha's is considered unique and historically significant. Believed to be the very first Ofala celebration among the Igbo, the festivities kick off with the dramatic sound of a 21-gun salute, setting the tone for an all-night extravaganza of royal gong drumming, energetic dancing, and captivating cultural performances. It's a colorful and symbolic event that highlights the rich heritage of the Igbo people and their deep respect for tradition. This one's all about royalty and tradition. The Obi of Onitsha, which is the king, comes out of a spiritual retreat, blesses the people, and prays for prosperity in the land. It's a big deal, with cultural dances, colorful attire, and a royal parade that will leave you in awe. Historians even say this tradition dates back as far as 16th century. Next up, we have the New Yam Festival. This is like the Igbo version of Thanksgiving, but this time around with yams as the star of the show. Held every August after the rainy season, the New Yam Festival marks the end of farming and the beginning of harvest. It's all about giving thanks to God and honoring the ancestors for a bountiful harvest. People bring freshly harvested yams, perform traditional rituals, and celebrate with music, dances, and feasts. It's a vibe across Igbo land that you shouldn't miss as an Igbo. Let's move over to parts of Enugu West and Okigwe in Imo State, where we have the Iwa Aqua Festival. The Iwa Aqua Festival is all about celebrating young men stepping into adulthood. It's a rite of passage with traditional ceremonies, advice from elders, and some serious feasting. Think of it as a cultural graduation party in the Igbo land. Finally, there's the Ekpe Festival, which is famous in Aro communities in Abia State and beyond, including some parts of Imo State and areas in Akwa Ibom and Cross River State. This one is a masquerade lover's dream. Male initiates perform cultural dances and showcase Ekpe traditions passed down for generations. The energy, the costumes, and the vibes are next level amazing, from yam feasts to royal blessings and everything in between. Igbo festivals are a beautiful way to experience the heart and soul of the culture. Which one are you attending next? Let us know in the comments. And there you have it, some of the most captivating Igbo festivals that celebrate heritage, unity, and tradition. Which one caught your attention the most? Or is there anyone you have in mind that we are yet to mention? Kindly let us know in the comments section. Or better yet, have you ever been to any of these festivals? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Ebony People TV channel, and we'll see you in our next video.